Hare Krishna. So I'm going to demonstrate the 7-stroke exercises that we will be doing to learn how to play what's called the stroke. In Bengali, they say Chutki. Chutki. It's like a snap of the finger. That's the final sound. So to learn how to do this sound, the first thing is getting the index finger moving. So you'll place your middle finger, so you draw a center line down the drum head, right on the edge of the black part. This black part is called the gob. This ring finger will be down here on the kartala. Kartala is this flap of skin on the edge of the drum head. The index finger will be striking right on the edge of the drum head. So actually on this kartala here. Like this. So now we'll just tap the finger. We'll do it 21 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. Exercise number 2. Lift the middle finger. Place it, and then strike. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. Next up, lift the whole hand. Turn the palm up, because this is the movement that you're going to use in the final sound. So turn the palm up, place the fingers, tap the index finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 21. Okay. Next step is to do the whole movement in one go, but in slow motion. 1, 2. This is exercise number 4. 5. And then you can gradually increase the speed until you start making some sound. See if I gradually increase. I don't even have to hit very hard, but it starts to make the sound that I want. Okay, so that's the final sound. Now we have to learn how to integrate that with others. So other beats. So exercise number 5. So exercise number 5, we go stroke, index, stroke, index. Now the closer I get my finger to the edge, the higher pitch the sound. See if I hit it here. Not that high pitch. Over here, a little more high pitch. Now if I get it all the way to the edge, it's very high pitch. Notice that snap of my finger. Okay, the next one. Na da da, na da da, na da da, na da da. Now if your finger starts to feel sore, if you're not used to this sound, just go a little softer. You don't need to play so hard. And over time, your hand will build strength and you will be able to play this beat easily. The next one, ta ti ni. Ta ti ni. This is exercise number 7. Ta ti ni. Ta ti, closed, ni, 3 fingers. Ring finger will be in the center. Ta ti ni. Ta ti ni. Ta ti ni. Ta ti ni. Notice how the tip of my ring finger is striking the center of the drum head. You can practice this one to develop some speed until you develop some speed. Now I'm going to show you how to apply this into a Kirtan mantra. We'll use it in a tehai. Gi, gi, open on the big side. Na, stroke. Gi, open on the big side. Ja, both sides together. Now open will sound like this. Gi, gi, na, gi, ja. 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 Now if you can also add this into kaharba. Da gi te te, da ge din, da gi te te, da ge din. Now I'll combine that with the tehai. Now a little slower. Da gi te te, da ge di na, da gi te te, da ge di na, gi gi na gi ja, gi gi na gi ja, gi gi na gi. So those are just a few ways you can use this. And then of course, I'm sure you've heard this rela before. The Mayapuris often use it. I hope you found this video helpful. Hare Krishna.